So hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So I'm making a video after very much long time. Actually, there were some problems, so I was unable to make any videos for the last 3 months and so on. So I thought of making a new video, and this time I'm bringing you the unboxing of Mi 11 Lite. So let's start this video without wasting any more time. Starting with cutting the box, we get to see here the phone. After opening the box, let us open the box, and after opening the box you get to see a pamphlet in which we know that we get the guide and the sim ejector tool and might be the back cover. So let us check out what's the here is the sim ejector tool. Here's the transparent case, TPU case. That's normal, very standard grade case, but you also get to see here a warranty card and all, so nothing else without those. Keeping the phone aside, let's see what else do we get in box. Here we get the charger and a type C cable, so that's a good thing. And you get to see here a 33-watt charger within the box, and the phone also supports a 33-watt charging, and you also get to see a type C cable. So it's a good thing that in India you are getting this phone for such a low price, and you are getting a 33-watt charger also. And this also has a AMOLED display. I will come to that later, but for now that's a good thing that you're getting a 33-watt charger within the box. And so that's all about this box. So now coming to the phone, you get to see here a very shiny back. Yeah, the back is very shiny. This is a glass back, and yeah, it's really convincing. It looks like a 50-60,000 rupees phone, but this phone ranges from 20 to 25,000 in India, not more than 25. And if you go for the higher variant, yeah, it costs a bit more, but in the early bird sale you get it for low. And you can see my whole room setup and the camera, the phone I'm recording this video. So yeah, it's a shiny one, and you get to see the power button packed up with the fingerprint sensor. Well, this costs low and it's too convenient, also as fast as the back rear mounted fingerprint sensor. So they give it you with the stereo speakers, a 33-watt charging port, no headphone jack this time, the Air Blaster, so you can use the Air Blaster for controlling any smart devices at your home. So that's a good thing. And sorry for the noises, here work is going on, industrial work, so sorry for that. And that's all about the back. And at the front you get to see a 10-bit Super AMOLED display. So for the price range 20 to 25,000 in India, this is a big thing, because many smartphones like take for Realme, they are also not giving such great value for money. Not even Samsung. Everything in Samsung leaves good behind the processor they use. The processor they use that just drops their whole phone down. So I'm just setting up all quicks, and let me get into the phone, and then I'll be talking more about the phone. So this phone comes with Android 11 with MIUI 12 inbuilt in it, so no need of updates for it, and MIUI is very good in giving updates in terms of updates. You also get to see here the camera full of the loaded features, and here are some camera shots taken from the Mi 11 Lite from its 16 and 64 megapixel sensor. Actually that's a 16 megapixel sensor, and they use the process of pixel binding for making it 64. Although the colors are on point and there are no points of oversaturation. So it's all about the phone, and do tell me how this was. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Goodbye.